I greet the people of Nigeria, Rivers State, and Ogoni precisely. Chief Comrade Bright Nwiyordee, the leader of KEN-SARO surveillance group. I'm here to inform my people, the people of Ogoni and Rivers State, about the upcoming election on 11 March 2023. I need to inform them on how we are going to do these elections, because this election belongs to Rivers people. We have been doing many elections, but this one is different and this one is special because this one is for the Ogonis. We KEN-SARO group, we are expecting these elections to be free and fair, because we are also a support group to Senator NYINOODEE. We are expecting this election to go very free. We are not expecting anybody to come and intimidate the voters. So for this reason, we are calling on the local government chairman, Dr. Thomas Barriere, to please play a fair game in this coming election. We are also calling on all the PDP stakeholders in Kana local government to please abide by the rules of elections. I know our people does not have much, they don't have problem. The youth does not have problems. People of the public does not have problems. The challenge people will face and what we are talking about is for this election to be very free and fair. For that brotherliness to be there even after the elections. The local government chairman is the chief security of Kana local government. So we are appealing to him that he should do everything peacefully. He should do everything within his power to ensure that the election is free and fair. He should do everything within his power to ensure there is no bloodshed within the election and after the elections. As people know us, we are a pressure group, and then we believe that the only thing we could do at this point is to defend our people, because that's our duty. We think of to defend our people, protect our people, because election has always been other things, and then people are also expecting the same thing to happen. My message goes directly to the local government chairman. I will continue to call him because he is in charge. So I want him, there are certain things I want him to show up this time. He should show himself as a Democrat person. He should not act as if he's acting based on his principle, but he should act as if he's also protecting his own people in Kana local government. If they fail to comply with the message we are given right now, I believe after the elections we can no longer remain as a brother. We have a candidate on the ballot, so we are also urging all the Ogoni sons and daughters to come out and vote for Senator NYINOODEE coming 11 March. And we are also calling on the people of Rivers State for a change of government and also to make Ogoni people be part of Rivers State government. That since the creation of Rivers State according to history, and nobody from Ogoni has ever become a governor, not talk of chief judge of the state. They have been marginalizing Ogoni people politically, economically, and otherwise. But I also wanted to tell the Ogoni people who are trying to fight against their own destiny, those who are trying to fight against their own future, that we always talk about people not giving us what we want. But at this time, we have it and we have to take it. So the Ogoni people should also try not to give their votes to another candidate. It's not that you cannot vote for your choice, so you can vote for your choice. But this one, the group is appealing, KEN-SARO surveillance group is appealing that the Ogoni people should try to give their vote to Senator NYINOODEE for development in Ogoni and for the Ogoni people to be inclusive in Rivers State government. Whatever thing I'm saying on this video, I'm not saying it because I wanted to challenge anybody. But I'm saying it for the interest of all, the interest of our people. Because anybody who will be partaker to this evil act of hijacking election using army or police to intimidate voters or supporters of any party. Like my own, if you are from my ward, you are from my village, don't come home again, no. Except you were not part of the process of hijacking the election. But if you are part of hijacking the elections through any means, don't come to Ward 16 or come to Opoko community. Then for the stakeholders of the PDP in Kana local government, they are included. They should try to sit their panel on how this election will be peaceful. Because that is our major concern. Our major concern is how this election is going to be peaceful. If our candidate lost out and the election is peaceful, we will not have problem. But whereas they turn the election as their own, that is where problem will come even after the elections. Don't hijack elections, because if you are being found of hijacking election in this Ogoni kingdom, this very 11 March election coming up, KEN-SARO surveillance group will definitely look for you after the elections. Cast your vote for Senator Magnus Abbey. Give your support to Senator Magnus Abbey. It won't be a waste. KEN-SARO surveillance group say no to hijacking of election materials. We say no to election malpractice. And we say no to election violence. Everybody should remain peaceful during the elections and after the elections. God bless Nigeria. God bless Rivers State. God bless Ogoni Kingdom. And God bless Kana local government.